Ginger with Marvelous Mouse Travels, and I'm going to give you a tour of the Westin in downtown Chattanooga. So this is the entryway over here, and as you can see when we first walk in, off to our left there is a beverage station with some coffee, some water bottles, and of course your ice bucket. Right underneath that you'll see the mini fridge. No freezer space, but a nice good sized mini fridge. Right off here to your right inside the front door is this really nice bright bathroom, single sink, nice storage space, really nice size shower, bench seating in the shower, the commode of course. As we come into the heart of the room, we have this beautiful king size bed, mirrors on either side of it, lots of different ports for charging devices. Over here is a beautiful print of the Walnut Street Bridge. Nice seating area with more charging over here in the desk, which is great. Another full-length mirror. Plenty of storage space over here inside this closet. You have your iron and your ironing board as well. Let's come over here and check out this beautiful view. Again, this is a tour of the Westin in downtown Chattanooga.